Hi guys. So today we're gonna be doing a game. Yeah, we're gonna be doing a game called Trenky, but yeah, it's in Afrikaans. We're gonna play a game called Trenky. If you throw the same card, you have to pick up. Yeah, you have to like pick the thing up in the middle and take it out. And then you have to drink a jug of water. I think we're gonna put on a time in it. No. Okay. Yeah. So you're gonna drink a jug of water. You're gonna drink a jug of water. So I'm gonna go first. Okay. So I chose this card. And I chose this card. You can see. Oh, this card. Yeah. And I'm gonna pick up now because I threw a heart. Okay, she threw this card. Now I'm gonna throw this card. Let's see. Yes, you're lucky. Okay, luckily I only have 3 cards. Okay, she picked up and it's her turn. I choose a diamond. And I'm choosing this card. It looks so cute. Like, hey, just put it down the card. This one looks more like a tattoo. This one. The same card. Like, look. This is literally cheating. No. If you already got him, you got him. Pick up. She's sorry. Like, go. Come on. Okay, we're playing now. Like, she don't want to pick up. I don't know why. Here's your card playing. Yes, play on. English play. Woohoo! I will never pick up anymore. Yeah, I'm gonna like pick 4, 5 cards up. Oh, like serious about that stuff. And she's picking a whole bunch of others. Yeah! Others that you must still pick up. No, man. You can't play like this. No, let's do it over. No. Yeah. The game is not starting over this. Okay, you'll see. Guys, wait. Like and subscribe. It just has a more